Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Microsoft account and open the OneDrive app. Once done, check available storage so you don't hit limits mid-sync. Upgrade if necessary. Next, choose priority folders, documents, desktop, pictures, and decide whether to include large media files. Now enable OneDrive Sync for those folders and grant any requested permissions. This ensures OneDrive can access and backup files automatically. Keep an eye on initial upload progress so you know the baseline. Now configure selective sync and optimization. In OneDrive settings, go to Backup and manage backup to include desktop, documents, and pictures. Then enable Files on Demand so placeholders save space locally while keeping files in the cloud. Make sure to set upload and download limits if you're on a metered connection, and schedule large initial uploads for off-peak hours. If you need specific file exclusions, add them via advanced settings. Doing this balances storage, bandwidth, and access across your devices. Finish by verifying that files display appropriate status icons, green, checkmark, or cloud, so you know what's local versus cloud only. Once confirmed, use the OneDrive web interface to view recent file versions and confirm your backups completed. You can restore older versions if needed. If something goes wrong, restart OneDrive, sign out and sign back in, and review the error code shown in settings. This often pinpoints permission or quota issues. If that fails, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to test for blocked sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.